Hey guys, it's normally about good groceries, but today it's about good griddles. Let me introduce you to the brand new Blackstone Culinary 36-inch griddle Deluxe. Yes, Deluxe. This thing's got some bells and whistles. Hey, you won't want to miss it. Hey, let's get going. That's some good groceries. So you're probably wondering, Hussey, tell me the details. Tell me what's the Deluxe. All right, I'm glad you asked. First off, high performance burners. The burners are totally different, redesigned. They are a pancake style. What does that mean for you? Well, it gives you nice, even heat footprint. It's gonna make nice and even from left to right, front to rear. Next is that omnivore griddle plate. Yes, this plate is a redesigned plate. It helps recover heat from thermal shock. It also has built-in wind guards, so you don't have to add any wind guards either. This is very helpful for those folks in those windy conditions. Oh, let's talk about the digital display, them goods. You have a clock, you have a timer, fuel level. Yes, fuel level. It will tell you about how much fuel you have in your propane tank. It basically weighs the tank and spits out a value. So that way you know if you're not gonna run out and be like me, run out and have to go get another one. But wait, there's more. A warming drawer. How cool is that? The digital display also tells you the temperature of the warming drawer. You're probably wondering, what's these bar graphs on each zone? You notice in the middle of the pancake burner, there's a kind of rod that sticks through the middle. That's so it measures that zone right there. It kind of gives you an idea of where your griddle temperature is. Low, medium, high, and kind of in between. How cool is that? One of the cool things that I'm excited for, because of Maggie Dog, you see her in my videos, this trash bag holder. Open it up, close it, the dogs don't want to get in it. Maggie Dog over there loves to get in my trash can. Now, no bueno. She's not going to get into it. If you're in need in a little bit more space, check out this extendable side table. It folds out of place when you don't need it. It extends out when you do. Really helpful when you got a lot of ingredients. The hood on this is a little bit more beefier. This is a reinforced X-brace hood. It's designed to protect your griddle surface and keep it clean in between uses. This is a dandy unit. I'm here to tell you, I'm excited to use this. Coming up next, I will be seasoning this unit, and I'm really looking forward to see how that heat is distributed left to right, front to back. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. I hope you can head over to Lowe's and give this unit a look. Kick the tires on it, you know, that kind of thing. Go to Lowe's.com and see the specs for yourself as well. Head on over to the Blackstone Network where we'll see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey. That's some good groceries and griddles.